This is VIVO Y21S, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app. If you do not have the app, or rather if you have uninstalled it manually, since it comes pre-installed with the system, you can very easily get it for free from the Google Play Store. So anyway, launch the Google Drive app, tap on this plus icon over here, choose the scan option from the list, then allow Google Drive to have the camera permission or to use camera. Then once this camera interface gets launched, take a photo of whatever document you wanted to scan. So here's mine. So let me quickly take a picture of it. If you're satisfied with the result, you can continue. If not, obviously, just retake the photo. Then you will be forwarded to the editing interface, which allows you to change the color scheme of your scan, rotate it 90 degrees at a time, or crop the original photo in order to frame the part which you would like to be included into the, final PDF file. You can also align it a little better if the raw photo is somewhat curved. Then hit the save option, then save again. Wait for the file to be uploaded to Google Drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.